What's happening, Tech Timers? This is Andre of Andre's Tech Time and Product Reviews, where I review cool tech and everyday products that will make your lives just a little bit easier. And today I am coming to you live with No Jive, with a cool way for you to not only light up your life, but also light up your YouTube videos. It's the Uthlusty Video Photography Ring Light Kit. Can you dig it? Okay, Tech Timers, so before I get down to the nitty gritty, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and ring the bell all below. And please share if you care. Now, let's take a look at the Uthlusty Video Photography Ring Light Kit. Now, some of you out there may be looking for ways to shed some light on the situation in your YouTube videos. Also, just maybe like you're a makeup artist or, whatever the case may be, where you need more light in your videos. Well, let's take a look and see what this can do. This is the box. It's the other side, nothing fancy. And it's just a box. So let's go ahead and get this cut open. Tech Time tool to the rescue. Yowza! Let's see what we've got inside. And there it is. So I'm going to get everything out of the box. And this one has a feature that I really do like. It not only comes with one mini tripod, it comes with two. And I'll explain that in just a little bit. This is the ring light. Let's go ahead and get everything out of the plastic. There's one. There's two. Got a bag of goodies here. Got your mounting hardware for your phone, and you've got your remote control for your phone so that you can snap pictures. You've got your warranty information. Activate your free 24-month warranty now, get free stuff. And you can get a free microphone, a free bag. I actually have both of those. Another warranty card. And this is the instructions pamphlet. Very easy to use, but we're going to see what we're going to see. But anyway, this is everything. Just rip that open. This is everything that comes within the box. So we're going to take a look at the specs, and then we're going to go through everything. You dig? Okay, Tech Timers, so let's go ahead and take a look at those specs. The ring size, 10 inches. It's got 120 LED bulbs. Those the bulb colors are white, warm white, and yellow. There are 3 different modes. 10 brightness levels. Power output is 12 watts. Lumens, 5500K, so therefore very bright. It has 1 phone mount, 1 hot shoe mount adapter, 1 tripod head mount. The power cable is 6.5 feet long with a built-in remote. It has an external remote for your camera / cell phone. The materials that it's made out of, sturdy plastic and metal. Now that we've got this out of the way, let's get a move on and let's get a groove on and get up close and personal with the Uthlusty Video Photography Ring Light Kit. Okay, Tech Timers, so let's get down to the get down. The reason why I like this ring light kit is because it comes with 2 mini tripod stands. So that gives you the ability to mount your smartphone to one and the tripod to other. This way so that you can position the light just right. So this is your phone mount. Actually, this is the tripod mount. And let's just go ahead and connect that. Phone holder, and the phone holder will connect, no problem without it. But you can go ahead and connect this here if you like. There you go. And of course, it's expandable. Let's take a look at the remote control. The remote control works with both iOS and Android. Buttons for picture and video. There's an on-off switch right about there. Comes with the CR2032 battery. And there's a little tiny light right there, so that when you press the button, you'll know when it's operating. So now let's take a look at the ring itself. Sturdy plastic. Ventilation holes in the back to let out the heat from the bulbs. That's your hot shoe. So once again, if you want, of course, you can mount the phone holder here. And as you can see, phone holder is versatile because it also has a mount there as well. Power cable has a little strap to keep everything in place. Once again, 6.5 feet long. Let's just zoom in just a little bit. There's your power button. That decreases the brightness. That increases the brightness. And that button right there allows you to switch between the modes. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in to my laptop. So we can see the 3 different modes. And let me decrease the, I'm gonna go ahead and decrease the light in the background. Bring out the remote. Okay, so when you connect the remote to a power source, there's a little blue light. If I press the power button, let me go ahead and turn it down. So right now it's at its brightest level. It's on white bulbs. If I press the mode button, so that would be mode 1, white, and then yellow. And I hope that's coming out, but don't worry, we'll see it in the dark. So now the inner rings are yellow. If I press the mode button once more, then both sets of lights are on, white and yellow. So once again, that's just the outer white lights. I'll press it one more time. That's the inner yellow lights. I press it again. Outer and inner lights are on. Let's turn it off. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this looks. There's a mount there, so we can just go ahead and mount it. Let's take this off. Put it on this one. So now if you're sitting at a desk recording yourself and you want to get the lighting just right, because sometimes you don't want the phone mounted directly to the light because it may cause too much of a reflection, you can have the phone positioned right in front of you if you like, and you can have the light itself positioned, you know, just to the right, just to the left, or wherever to get that perfect lighting. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this set up. I'm going to turn off the lights. I'm going to see how bright this can get. Okay, TechTimers, so I've got the ring light pointed at a wall, at a couple of pictures in my office. This is on white light. It is at the darkest level, the lowest level of illumination. Let's crank it all the way up. So that's bright. The brightest it will go for the white. And let's put it on yellow light. So that's warm, that's yellow. I'm gonna crank that all the way down. And now I'll put it on both yellow and white. And I'll crank it all the way up. And that's cranked all the way up. So now this is white. That's yellow. And that's both. So as you can see, pretty versatile and pretty bright. A lot of adjustment. Okay, so now that we've seen what we can see, let's go ahead and wrap this bad boy up. Okay, Tech Timers, so what did we learn today? We learned that the Uthlusty video photography ring light kit is very versatile. If you need your light to be out of sight, then this kit is dynamite. It's versatile because it comes with 2 mini tripods, so you can separate the ring from your smartphone. But if you need to have the ring and the smartphone together, not a problem. Remove this light ring from this tripod connected to the mount here, connect the cell phone into the hot shoe. There you go, it's 1 unit. So great illumination, a lot of adjustments so you can get the light just right with the remote control, which is very, very easy to use. Powered by USB, your computer, laptop, or whatever will power it up, and you've got your remote control that works with both Android and iOS. $19.99 off of Amazon. Y'all know what time it is. It's time for Andre's Tech Time and product reviews rating system. If I like a product, I'm going to give it a right on. If I don't like the product, I'm going to give it a right off. If I really like the product, it's going to be a groovy, man. If I really don't like it, then it's going to be a jive turkey. This kit does exactly what it's designed to do, what I need it to do. I don't think you can go wrong with it. I'm going to give it a groovy, man. Y'all probably seen that coming. That concludes my review of the Uthlusty video photography ring light kit. Keep in mind that here at Andre's Tech Time and Product Reviews, all of the opinions expressed in my videos are my own. I don't get paid to do this, and I purchase all of the products with my own money. Thanks again for hanging out here with me. Enough said, keep on trucking, and I will catch you on the flip side in my next video. Now, can you dig that?